My question to Ameer Ahle Sunnat is that, is it permissible for men to apply henna onto their hands? It has become very common nowadays for men to apply different designs of henna on their hands. It is impermissible for a man to apply henna on his hands, to the extent that even if someone applies henna on the hands of a small boy, even if it's his mother, then she'll become sinner, as a child doesn't get the sin, so mother becomes sinful. My question to Ameer Ahle Sunnat is that, the way you've mentioned that it is not permissible for men to apply henna on their hands, so when we dye our hair, then some henna gets applied on the hands as well. What do you say in this regard? You see, the prohibition that lies in it is mainly because of having resemblance with the women, due to copying them. So when we dye our beards, etc., then henna does get applied on our fingers all over the place. Some over here and some over here. So henna is not properly applied on the hand the way women normally do. So there is no resemblance with women in this. They don't apply henna on their hands the way we dye our beards and get their hands colored from random places. They don't do so. The day when women start applying henna in the same manner and it starts resembling them, then the ruling will change. For dyeing beards, we will find another solution then, insha'Allah. Wallahu ta'ala a'lamu wa rasuluhu a'lam. عز وجل وصلى الله تعالى عليه وآله وسلم. صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد